Good morning, AB family. Today I've got our tomatoes all laid out here on the table, and we're going to be up-potting those today with the help of Mocha Girl. We just got our piggies moved out behind our pasture. They're that little black dot right there, guys. It's always a joy being able to look out this nice sliding door and just see what's going on outside. Not that it's anything crazy ever, but this is gonna be the last of my seed up-potting videos, so hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. We just got done marking our cups, so I just went ahead and marked all of them for this first tray over here. So got these 3 sets done for this first tray. I just want to show you guys these tomato roots really quick. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that, guys. I mean, tomatoes grow so fast. That's why you never want to start them too early, guys, or you're gonna be having problems like I did last year. I started tomatoes really early last year, and they all got like 2 feet tall before I even put them outside. So definitely wait on your tomatoes. Definitely start them like a month before you're gonna move them outside. That's I did just a little earlier than that with these, but it'll be all right because I've got a setup for it this year. So let's go ahead and get into up-potting these guys. Alright guys, so we just got our first tray done of our tomatoes. Now I totally made a little bit of a mistake. I totally forgot a half of one of these trays is a full tray up here. So seeing as I have 2 whole trays, 2 seed cell trays, I'm gonna need 3 of these metal tins, which I do have 3. I'm not worried about that, but I don't have room in my seed starting room for all 3, so that's totally all right. I'll just clear off my table here. I need to clean my table anyway, and push my table against the window and just leave one out here. They'll be all right. I'm not too worried about it, but definitely totally forgot that a half of one of these seed starting cell trays is only 1 big tray. So totally just a big brain fart, but it'll work. I'm not worried about it. Alright guys, we just wrapped up getting all of our tomatoes up potted. So I'm gonna walk you through where I put everything. So right now on the kitchen table, I have part of my tomatoes, and then I have my rosemary and my lavender over here. So this is a south-facing window, so it should give these guys plenty of sunlight to grow. So that's what I'm rocking out here in the kitchen. And then we finally have all of our shelves completely full in our mudroom. So that is very crazy, to say the least. But we have amazing growth in here, guys. Everything is growing fantastic. Those are our hot peppers. And then these guys are more hot peppers. And we'll get down to our bell peppers. And we threw in a couple tomatoes into that one just because I had room. And this bottom shelf is all of our tomatoes down here. So turned out fantastic, guys. I'm super excited for gardening season coming up very, very soon, guys. Probably about another month, and all of this will be able to go outside. So definitely make sure you guys check out our recent videos. Just moved our little piggies to their new area for now, and then we're going to be moving them again here in about a week or two. So that is very, very exciting out there. So make sure you guys check out all of our videos, of course. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think of all of our garden seeds going on right now. So we've got a lot. I'm definitely not keeping all these. I'm gonna be giving a good majority to friends and family. So that's also another thing I love about starting all these seeds. They're not all for me, guys. Trust me, I don't have room for all of these. But it definitely gives friends and family something to grow as well. So that's very, very exciting. And yeah, guys, I will be back very shortly, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.